Right, so the question in and now A, B, C, D are all sides of a closed-sided polygon. A, B, C, D in shape A. It's a 12-sided what? Polygon. Of one P, B, C, R. C, R. And my side of a regular N-sided polygon. And I know what was in the mangani. And the angle PBC is equal to 1/4 angle the other. Right. So what our party write down the special name of the regular polygon, which is 3 lines of symmetry.
Triangle.
3 lines of symmetry. Each of
Triangle.
Equilateral triangle. This way. You put the other or Konaka. So, let's put the Bakuno. Transit, find the value of one n. Yes, n is a polygon AP. Don't you get that point? Interior angle 140. Upon a chanter. Now outside is equal to 360 over exterior. This way. Right. It is like given the interior angle that we have interior plus what? Exterior is equal to 180. Interior is 140 plus what? Exterior is equal to 100. So let me minus exterior 180 minus 140 precise. Is what? Is the exterior. So therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 exterior. Nobody said 9. So this shape right here is P, B, C, C, R. It's a 9-sided what? Polygon. This way. It's a what? Octagon. So what happened? So the size of one B, C, and R angle. What they say? Anchekutanga mtakataona panapa patolipizwa kale 140 hapo because yazi is a regular what 8-sided polygon. So kama angles hapa kafanana andika tatoto na prime angle lepa re hapa andika tozo minus nani na 360 utaona lepa re hapa andika tata shape AB BCCD it's a what? It's a 12-sided polygon. Sasa tote kataona interior angle andika shortcut ilipo right umene unataka kuti sum of interior of that 180 minus 2 andika ada iso batangaona the sum of interior of divided by 12 but nokati kutenderera tongo yaba that what n is equal to 360 over what exterior andika times in it of massage that would 12 is equal to 360 over what exterior. So that's better than cross multiply. Add 12 exterior is equal to 3 what? 60 by 12 by 12. 12 kumkakani. Kadrigo. This one. That's 30 degrees no chi. Exterior edu. Andika. 12 chola really interior. This way. What is it? Right now, let's look at interior. The good interior plus what exterior is equal to what? 180. 180 minus 3 to be 1 and 150. What is it? So what you have 150 now 140 more percent. 150 now 140. 290. And 290 minus 360. How much is 360 minus 290. So this one 70. Saka embo relationship is 70. And they say 70 what? Degrees. Do this angle up extra angle. Jatipana apane 140 apane 140. Anyway. So the interior angle hapa, kashamisa number of sides is equal to 360 of exterior. tobva tati number size 12 andika so the exterior angle tenda kunoona ari 30 andika zvari 30 kudaro tabva tati takona interior angle apa todati interior plus exterior is equals to 180 todati interior plus exterior ni 30 tobva tambainazana 180 tabudisa 150 saka pane 150 apa ne 140 izve tochiedza 150 140 minus 360 ndopazobva 70 vedu vataona ari apa ubva tochaya kunopota utoona mamakisa kwemari